Okay.
Ma'am, can you start?
Okay, I have started. So question 1 we have seen. Which of the following rational numbers is expressed as a terminating decimal expansion? And when we will check all of their denominators, first of all we will obtain them in simplest form. And when we check all of their denominators, C will only be in the form of having factors of only 5 or 2. Okay. In question 12, in question 2, we'll obtain prime factorization of 12. It is of form 2 root 3, which is a rational and irrational number. So, sum, product, quotient and difference of a rational and irrational is always irrational. So, this is the correct answer. Now, question 3, decimal expansion of number will terminate after first 1 decimal place, B 2 decimal places, C 3 decimal places, and D 4 decimal places. Okay. So tell me the answer. You have to just type in the chat box. We'll see actually. First step is 14753 upon 1250. Obtaining prime factorization. This cannot, both of them cannot be cut. Okay. 1250 के factors है. Factors are only 2 and 5. And 14753, it's a odd number, so it has it does not have factor as 2 and 5. Okay, we'll obtain prime factorization of 1250. 1250, so 2 times 625, 5 times 125, 5 times 25, 5 times 5 and 5 and 1. So we can write it 12753 upon 2 into 5 to the power 4. Okay. I want to obtain the 10, 100, 1000, this type of numbers in denominator. So I'll multiply by 2 to the power 3. 5 to the power 4 तो already है और एक 2 है. मतलब 2 to the power 4 बनाने के लिए मुझे 2 to the power 3 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में. So if now denominator will be 2 into 5 to the power 4. Okay, that means how many zeros in denominators? Denominator 1, 2, 3. Okay, so whatever this number will come, उसके right से 4 digits छोड़ के decimal point लगेगा. Okay, so जितने zeros आएंगे basically 1 के बाद in denominator, वो इतनी decimal places के बाद terminate होगा. Okay, so 4 is the correct answer.
Ma'am, is my answer correct for question 4?
1 minute, I am completing this question 5 also, and then I'll be checking both of them together. Okay. Okay. So, okay, Harini, you tell me the answer of question number 4. 2.352. Is it a rational?
Rational number.
It is a rational number, okay? Because even if it is not terminating, but it is
But repeating.
okay, okay. Yes. Now you can mute. Avni, can you tell me answer of question number 5?
Yes, D.
D. Okay, good. Because it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay. So these are the correct answers of this both. Just type the answer in chat box.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Let me check. Yes, it is correct. Okay. So, Harini, your answer is correct. Okay. Then, okay, Kavin, your answer is also correct. Then Hinal Himani, your answer is also correct. And Nirviksha, for which you have typed this?
Ma'am, first.
Sixth one. Okay, it is not correct. You need to check.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Question is, which of the following rational number can be expressed as non-terminating repeating decimal? Okay, non-terminating repeating decimal means, first of all, we have to obtain numerator and denominator in simplest form if they can be cut by any number. If they cannot be cut, then we have to obtain prime factorization of q. And if it is of form other than as factors of 2 and 5, then it will be a non-terminating repeating. 1250 and 1351, there will be nothing common because factors of 1250 are 2 and 5 only, and 1351 is not divisible by any of this number. 1250 we have seen in one of the previous questions also, it has only factors of 2 and 5, so it is a terminating decimal expansion. Similarly, 2017, 250. Here 250 will have factors as 2 and 5 only, and there is nothing which can be cancelled. So this is also a terminating decimal expansion. 1800 factors of 18 are 3 and 6. Okay. So here 3 will be a factor. Okay, and okay, first of all we can cut actually 3219. We can first of all cut, and because it is 3219 and 1800, so it is divisible by 3 one time, 0 7 times, and 3, and it will be 3 6 are 18 0 0. Okay, now 1073 is not divisible by 3, so prime factorization of 600 will have 2 3 and 5. So because of this 3, we can say that this will be a non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay, 625 and 1723, 625 will have only factors of 5, so this will be a terminating decimal expansion. So answer C is correct. Okay, next one, P is of form, P is AB square, Q is A cube B. We have to find their LCM. ठीक है, इसका एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. सपोज P एक नंबर है जिसको हम 2 into 3 स्क्वायर लिखते हैं, Q एक नंबर है जिसको हम 2 क्यूब into 3 लिखते हैं. तो इनका दोनों का LCM क्या होगा? Yes, Nirviksha, what will be the LCM of these two numbers?
मैम 3√2 into 2√3.
तो एक्चुअली 2 क्यूब का मतलब क्या है? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, and 3 square
Yes.
3 into 3. So first of all we'll make pairs. क्या पेयर बना? 2 और 3 दोनों में आ रहा है. उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी बाकी सब एक्स्ट्रा है वो सारे लिख देते हैं. तो ये क्या हुआ? 1 2 3 2 क्यूब into 3 स्क्वायर. ऐसा होता है.
Yes.
एलसीएम ऐसे ही फाइंड करते हैं. Okay. तो हियर यहाँ पे देखो a है और a क्यूब है. तो इफ आई इंक्लूड a क्यूब, this a is also included. If I include b square, this b is also included. So LCM will be a cube b square.
72.
Okay, so option 3 will be correct answer. This I am going to explain you further actually. So